Hey everyone, it's Hannah here and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. So in this video I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I edit my makeup pictures for Instagram, because I do get a lot of questions on my Instagram if you aren't following me there already. So I'm always getting questions on how I edit my pictures for Instagram, so I wanted to go ahead and finally show you guys, especially now since we can screen record on our phones. It's so much easier to show you the process. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I do post new videos here every week, and make sure to like this video if you want to see more videos like this. And make sure you click the notification bell button so you're notified on when I post new videos. But alright guys, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Alright, so this is the picture that I wanted to go ahead and edit, so let's start. This picture is unedited, it's straight from my camera, and I do use the Sony a5100 to take most of my Instagram pictures. And on this camera you can there is a soft skin softening effect, which I keep it on low for pictures just because it doesn't really get rid of the flaws on my face, but it just kind of softens the look up a little bit. I know a lot of people, they'll put it on high to really not have any of their stuff show, but I keep it on low just so it kind of softens the look a little bit, but you still see the imperfections on my face. Alright, so here is the picture. I want to crop it for Instagram. I still like to keep most of my pictures square cropped. That seems pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and review it and just save it to my camera roll. I'm so bad, I didn't even tell you what app I'm using, but the app I just cropped it in is ColorStory. I love this app. I use this app pretty much for every picture that I do post on my Instagram, so definitely check out ColorStory. Just gonna go and use Facetune. Now a lot of people like to go ham with Facetune. Me, not so much. As you can see right there, look, like I said, you can see the texture on my skin. You can see my acne scars. I did have some peeling around the nose because I was sick when I took this picture. My brows aren't completely done, so you can still see around the brows. So like I said, you can see everything, and I did kind of overline my lips on this one. But like I said, I don't like to use the high soft skin effect on that camera because I like to keep my pictures pretty real for, you know, reasons that what am I trying to hide. Of course, you know, it's there, whatever, that picture. What I do want to do is I want to click details, and the reason why I'm using details is because my eye look is pretty pigmented in this picture, but why not go ahead and just intensify it a little bit. So just kind of, you know, just tap over. You're just kind of oomping it up a little bit, but you're not really messing with what you did. You're just sharpening. That's the better word. You're just sharpening that area of the image. I'm just sharpening my eye look so you can see it a little better. And then, you know, I go back and forth between this. And a lot of times it's good to tap. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click smooth. A lot of people, what they like to do is they'll click smoother and they will literally just go all over their face. And they'll do that. I don't like to do that because, like I said, you know, one of my main things on my Instagram is I like to keep it real with you guys. You know, here we go. You can see my scars and whatnot. Now I will kind of smoothen the area a little bit because, like I said, it is a makeup picture. And as much as, you know, I'm all about embracing my skin and everything, you know, I also want the picture to look a little better. So I'm just going to dab. Take that finger right here and just kind of tap over the areas on my cheeks a little bit. Dab, 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 dab all over. I just finished dabbing, so I'm just going to show you. This is the before and after. So there's a little bit of difference if you can kind of see it. Now one part I will kind of smooth over is my lips. I do tend to have very chapped lips, which isn't the most attractive thing when you're on Instagram, so I will kind of smoothen that out as well. Same tapping motion. Alright, so majority of the picture is complete. So here is the before and this is the after. So I'm going to go ahead and just save that to my camera roll, and we are completely done with Facetune. I'm actually going to go into VSCO now, and I used to use VSCO when it first came out, maybe like 2 years ago. I was very so much using VSCO, but I learned that I didn't really need to use VSCO. Now the only reason why I have come back to VSCO is because there is one setting in here that I like to use for my pictures. You just click that right there and you're just going to scroll down, and it's called skin tone. So as you can see, it's a little yellow, my face, and that is because the lighting in the room or whatever happened, it just had a little bit of a yellow cast. So I kind of like to neutralize how my skin tone looks, so we're just gonna take it down a little bit. So as you can see, you know, like look, it was like a little bit of a greenish yellow tint, but then this kind of like neutralizes the skin. You may not see it, but I do. Let me see if I can zoom in. There you go. Like, see, it's like a greenish yellowish tint. This kind of just neutralizes the skin tone. And that is pretty much it. That is the complete makeup look. This is a picture I will use on my Instagram. I'm actually planning to use this picture on my Instagram because I just did this makeup look, and as you can see, it still is true to how it originally looks. We're just kind of, you know, spotlighting the eye makeup. We're just emphasizing the colors, the detail a little bit, softening out a little bit of the face, just because it is a picture and aesthetics do matter, but we're still keeping true to what is on my skin. So pretty simple. That's how, you know, just a couple months now, that's how I've been editing most of my makeup pictures on my Instagram page. Of course, every day I'm trying new things, changing it up a little bit, but I'll make sure to update you guys if there is any drastic changes in how I edit my makeup pictures for Instagram. But other than that, guys, I hope this video was helpful. I do also have another video where I show you guys how I film my makeup IG videos, but I've been getting a lot of requests to maybe film how I edit my makeup videos for Instagram. So go ahead and let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see something like that. But other than that, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah. Alright, guys. Bye.